I am Dr. Eric, your personal chiropractor. Today I will talk about the top 5 pain syndromes that can be helped by chiropractic adjustments by Dr. Eric. The first one is chronic intermittent lumbago. That is pain in the lower back that comes in episodes. So you get pain and you suffer with pain for maybe 1, 2 or 3 weeks, and then the pain subsides. Maybe you've had some treatment or you've done some exercises and it's getting better, but it doesn't stop there. After a while, a few weeks maybe or a month, the pain comes back, and it can go on like that for years. So it becomes a vicious circle of recurrent pain. So that can cause a lot of uncertainty. You don't know if your back is going to hold out, if you want to do some exercise or some strenuous work at home. And the treatment for this condition is chiropractic adjustments to relieve the acute pain. But to stop the recurrences, you need to treat as a prevention. So you treat until the patient are pain-free, and then you book another appointment in a few weeks, and hopefully before the next pain episode has started. And the treatment will prevent the next episode. And by trying different intervals between the treatments, you can find a reasonable time interval to prevent recurring episodes. In that way, you can stop the vicious circles of recurring back pain. The second condition is chronic low back pain. You suffer from back pain every day, all the time. That can be very stressful and hindering for your personal and professional life. And here chiropractic adjustments can be very helpful. That can decrease the pain levels and in the best cases completely relieve the pain. And here it is also a good idea to continue with regular chiropractic treatment to prevent recurrences. The third is pain in the neck. That can also be very stressful and hindering for your society, for your social and professional life. It is often caused by uncomfortable positions at work, sleeping with the wrong kind of pillow, or sitting in a bad position in your sofa watching TV. This can also be helped by chiropractic treatment that can relieve the pain and stop recurring episodes. Another condition that is very often successfully treated with chiropractic adjustments are cervicogenic headache. That is pain in the upper part of the neck that causes headache. This can be very stressful and can cause you a lot of problems with your personal and professional life. The treatment for this is chiropractic adjustments of the upper cervical segments, especially the atlas vertebrae. Chiropractic adjustments for cervicogenic headache is a very efficient treatment that very often relieves pain, and also preventive chiropractic care can also prevent recurrences of pain. The last but not least condition is pain in the thoracic spine. That is pain in the area around the shoulder blades. This is also often caused by bad posture at work, or maybe heavy lifting or carrying heavy objects. This can very often be successfully relieved by chiropractic treatment, and also recurrences can be prevented by preventive chiropractic care. Hang on for the next video.